A fake trial is currently taking...
Trump and his defenders have been claiming that he didn't get due process when he got kicked off the ballot in Colorado. That couldn't be further from the truth. A Colorado district court held a robust 5-day evidentiary hearing in November where they heard from 15 witnesses and reviewed thousands of pages of evidence. Here are the highlights.
He summoned and organized the mob. He helped the mob by refusing to mobilize resources to stop the attack. He used fight 20 times in that speech, peaceful only once. And we are here because Trump claims, after all that, he has the right to be president again. But our Constitution, our shared charter of our nation, says he cannot do so.
And what, if anything, did you hear the mob say about President Trump?
I heard them say, "Fight for Trump." One of the assailants attempted to gouge out my eye. On January 6th, I was fighting for
Objection relevance.
Because we could hear the pounding on those doors, the shouting of the rioters outside. It was awful.
So go home. We love you. You're very special.
I do recall being with my colleagues and seeing that statement had at least an effect on some of the people who were posting on social media.
Based on your work, what does 1776 mean among far-right extremists?
It's a violent call for revolution.
During Reconstruction, engage in insurrection was understood broadly to include any voluntary act in furtherance of an insurrection against the Constitution, including words of incitement. It was not intended as punishment. There was a number of senators discussed the fact that this was simply adding another qualification to office because of the events that had occurred.
These are patriotic, freedom-loving citizens.
And were you seeing any anger in the crowd?
No, not at all.
Were the individuals attacking the police officers in that video patriotic, freedom-loving citizens and happy warriors?
I would say those that were doing that, no.
A few minutes later, a police officer came to the microphone and said that tear gas had been dispersed, and we were advised that there were tear gas or gas masks, I guess, under our seats, and we should deploy those gas tanks. There's clear indication that there was a danger at that point.
We are here because for the first time in our nation's history, a president of the United States has engaged in insurrection against the Constitution. Now he wants to be president again. The Constitution does not allow that. Through his actions and his actions alone, Donald Trump has disqualified himself from ever holding office again.
Now Trump versus Anderson is in the hands of the Supreme Court.